You are such a good person and you like donating to charity. It makes you feel good. It can also be a part of your tax plan because it's tax deductible, right? Well, sometimes, and you need to know how that works. That's sometimes, and that's what we're gonna look at in this video. Let's go. So this is something I see that's being clearly misunderstood by most people, because what happens is, honestly, most people have charitable donations that they want to deduct on their taxes without knowing how this is gonna work. And what happens is the charitable contributions, whether they are business or personal, are gonna end up in your itemized deductions. What does that mean? If you have charitable contributions through your business, you might think those are gonna get deducted on your business income statement or something of that nature, but that's not what happens. It's gonna funnel to your individual tax return, and it's likely gonna end up right in those itemized deductions, where it's gonna take mortgage interest, state and local taxes, healthcare, and charitable contributions, and you're gonna have to pull all those together and surpass the standard deduction at the end of the day. Again, we wanna enforce that it's business and personal go on your individual tax return. They won't get separated in any way. They're gonna end up in this itemized deduction bucket. So what do you have to do? You have to make sure that your itemized deductions surpass your standard deduction if you are going to take your charitable contributions at the end of the day. This applies with all four concepts we see in this bucket here, but you need to be sure that's the case with when you're taking charitable contributions. They're not gonna end up getting deducted unless you make it work this way. In 2024, the standard deduction is $14,600 for single folks. And if you're married filing jointly, you can double that to $29,200. But again, that's what you're comparing the itemized deduction to, and the charitable contributions are a part of that. You have to make sure this is working right if you're gonna get to deduct those.